So here's an update from last week where I cleared out the wardrobe. Doesn't have much hanging stuff because we need to get some new hangers for my son because these ones up here are too big. So it's not that pretty, but it's much more functional than before. We've got the games now at the back as well. And I just wanted to show you what somebody else has done. So this is all their clothes on the bed before. And stop that share. And this was after all what they did. So they put everything on the bed. And this was an after shot. So managed to sort out the things they didn't want and then put the rest back in the wardrobe. So it's quite extreme to do it that way, but whichever works for you. So that's an update on last session's challenge for our declutter of clothes. Actually, just before I leave you, this was the 2 black bags and a carrier bag that managed to come out of that wardrobe. So obviously things are feeling a lot more clearer now after that. So I'm very pleased with the decluttering. But of course, there's a couple of big games in here, so it does take up a lot of space. But I was surprised at how much things got taken away. So keep going and good luck.